Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project, a hidden door alarm. It's a simple, effective way to add an extra layer of security to your home. And it's super easy to make with just a few common items. What you'll need for this project is quite minimal. First, you'll need a clothespin. This will act as the core of our switch mechanism. Then, a small buzzer. This is what will make the alarm sound. Next, a battery, preferably a 9-volt, to power the buzzer. Finally, you'll need some wire to connect everything. That's it. Let's get started. First, take your clothespin and carefully disassemble it. You'll need to separate the two wooden pieces and the metal spring. Set the spring aside for now. We won't need it in this project. Now, on one of the wooden pieces, you'll want to attach two wires. You can either glue them in place or drill small holes and insert the wire. Make sure the wires are securely connected. This is where the electrical circuit will pass through. This is the foundation of our switch. Next, let's prepare the buzzer. Most buzzers will have two terminals. Connect one wire from the buzzer to one of the wires from the clothespin. Now, connect the other wire from the buzzer to the positive terminal of your battery. And finally, connect the remaining wire from the clothespin to the negative terminal of your battery. Now, for the critical part, the switch mechanism. When the door is closed, the two pieces of the clothespin will be pressed together. This means the circuit is open, and the alarm is off. When the door opens, the clothespin will separate, completing the circuit and activating the buzzer. To install the alarm, position the clothespin on the door frame. You can use tape or glue to secure it. Make sure the wooden pieces of the clothespin can make contact with each other when the door is closed. Then, position the other piece of the clothespin on the door itself, in a way that it presses against the other piece when the door is closed. Once installed, test the alarm by opening the door. And there you have it, a simple, yet effective hidden door alarm. Let's test it. As the door opens, the connection will be broken and the alarm will go off. The alarm should be loud enough to alert you to any unwanted entry. This project is a great way to learn a bit about basic circuits and add a little extra security to your home. It's affordable, easy to build, and can be customized to fit any door. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects. See you in the next video.